This is one in a series of how-tos by LoceySwimmingPool. Today we're going to be doing a basic how to test water by using a Pentair rainbow test kit for a simple bromine or chlorine test. What you first want to do is you take your test cell and you want to draw your water sample from about elbow depth. So dunk down, collect the water in the sample, bring it up, and then just flick the water out. And you're going to flick it out to these clear marker lines right here. Then you're going to take your OTO solution for bromine or chlorine, whichever sanitizer you have, and you're going to do 5 drops on the yellow side, holding the bottle straight up and down. Very important for that, so you get the same drop size every time. Then you put your little cap on. Same thing on the pH side, except you're going to be using your pH solution. Again, doing 5 drops straight up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to cap that side. Now what you want to do, you don't want to shake your test valve. You just want to simply invert your wrist a couple times. What that does is gives you an accurate read when you're just inverting your wrist. No shaking necessary. And then ideally, holding your sample up with a white card, white piece of paper, whatever you may have, so you can see a true read what your colors are. So today our sample, we're looking about, we're low on chlorine, so about 0.3, and then pH is perfect, dialed in at about 7.4. And if you don't have a white card, usually you're by your pool or hot tub, so you just don't have a white piece of paper handy, you can just hold it up, but you always want the sun to your back. You don't want to hold it up to the sun because that'll kind of bleach out the readings. And then that's it. You have completed your water test. And a good thing to remember is peaches and lemons. My coworker has taught me, peaches on the pH side and lemons on the chlorine or bromine side. So it's very easy to remember. Peachy color is dialed in at a good pH, and a lemony color is a good strong bromine or chlorine reading. And that concludes how to do a water test by using a simple liquid test kit.